isakata ngato tonke tilwimi talelive idlala indzima lebalulekile ekuniketeni ngelwati, kufundzisa nekujabulisa. Kepha abalaleli nebabukeli bafuna tinhlelo letizingeni lelisetulu.
I believe there should be more focus on the empowerment of the black family units.
Yeah, I want more actually than more games, then not only the highlights, then like currently then we are seeing on the i-SABC, because some of the games then like they select then the games, but we want to see all of the games.
They should give them a little publicity. Yes, especially people who go out to insult elderly people like myself, it's not good.
Njengobe lizinga letebuchwepheshe liyenyuka, i-SABC nayo ifuna ikusalela emuva njengoba ifaka umfutho etinhlelweni tekusebenzisa ubuchwepheshe besimanje.
SABC has a mandate, a responsibility to make sure that that language does not become extinct, that language is sort of promoted, developed, and we are doing that as the SABC.
To me, it is very, very important that no matter what we do, we need to realize we are serving the public.
Njengoba SABC ibungata kukhula kwayo, kuthi bophelela kwayo kusakatela sive kubukwe ngamehlo labovu.